Imagine a system where the earlier you get in, the more you win. Not by producing anything, not by building anything, but simply by waiting for someone else to pay more than you did. That sounds like a scam. But millions call it the future of money. Right now, Bitcoin sits at the center of a global financial narrative. Institutions are buying it, governments are debating it, and retail investors are chasing it again. So, what's really going on here? At its core, Bitcoin is simple. There will only ever be 21 million coins. New coins are released through mining, and every 4 years, that supply slows down. This creates scarcity, and scarcity, at least in theory, drives price. Sounds reasonable. But here's where things get uncomfortable. Bitcoin doesn't produce cash flow. It doesn't generate earnings. It doesn't pay dividends. The only way you make money is if someone else buys it from you at a higher price. That's it. Strip away the technology, the ideology, the memes, and what's left is a system entirely dependent on new money coming in. Early adopters bought Bitcoin for cents, then dollars, then thousands. Each wave of buyers pushed the price higher, validating the previous ones, not because of intrinsic value, but because of demand. Now, zoom out. This is where the brilliant part comes in. Unlike traditional scams, Bitcoin is transparent. The rules are public. The code is open. No one is hiding the mechanism. In fact, the system proudly tells you how it works. And yet, the outcome looks strangely familiar. A small group holds a massive portion of the supply. New participants enter with the hope of exponential returns. And the entire structure relies on belief continuing indefinitely. If belief slows, price falls. If price falls, belief cracks. And here's the irony. The more people call Bitcoin digital gold, the more they justify holding it, not using it. Which means its primary function isn't as a currency, but as a speculative asset. A bet. Not on utility, but on perception. So, is Bitcoin a scam? Not in the traditional sense. There's no central mastermind, no